Have you ever wondered what the night sky would look like without one of its brightest stars? Let's embark on a journey of cosmic proportions and delve into the fascinating world of Betelgeuse, a red, supergiant star that graces the constellation Orion. Betelgeuse, named after the Arabic phrase Yad al-Jawza, meaning the hand of Orion, is one of the most luminous stars visible to the naked eye. This brilliant celestial body sits at Orion's shoulder, forming a part of the famed hunter's iconic silhouette against the star-studded canvas of the night sky. Now, imagine this. You step outside on a crisp, clear night and gaze up at the sky, expecting to see the familiar pattern of Orion. But something's amiss. The mighty hunter seems incomplete, his shoulder dimmed. Betelgeuse, that fiery beacon that once burned so brightly, is gone. This is no ordinary star, mind you. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, one of the largest stars known to us. It's so colossal that if it were to replace our sun, its outer surface would extend beyond the orbit of Mars. Yes, you heard it right. Beyond Mars. Its sheer size and radiance make it a standout feature in our night sky. But stars, like everything else in the universe, aren't permanent. They are born, they live, and eventually they die. And the death of a star isn't a quiet affair. It's a spectacular explosion known as a supernova, outshining entire galaxies for a brief, dazzling moment. That's precisely the fate that awaits Betelgeuse. It's nearing the end of its life cycle, and when it does explode, it will temporarily vanish from our night sky, leaving a noticeable void in the constellation of Orion. But don't worry, this won't happen for a long while yet, and when it does, it's going to be a sight to behold. Imagine a night sky without the fiery glow of Betelgeuse. It's not a mere thought experiment, it's about to become reality. But fear not, for the cosmos is ever-changing, and in the grand ballet of the universe, the exit of one star heralds the entrance of another. But why is Betelgeuse disappearing? What's happening to this giant star? That's what we're here to explore. The answer lies in the life cycle of a star, and Betelgeuse, my friends, is nearing its final act. Stars, much like living beings, go through a life cycle. They're born, they live, and eventually, they die. But unlike us, stars don't age in years, they age in terms of their fuel. Stars are essentially nuclear reactors, fusing hydrogen into helium at their cores to produce energy. This process, known as nuclear fusion, keeps a star shining brightly. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, has been burning bright for millions of years. However, it has exhausted the majority of its hydrogen fuel and is now fusing heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. This shift in fusion material signifies that Betelgeuse is entering the twilight of its life. When a star like Betelgeuse exhausts its nuclear fuel, it undergoes a dramatic transformation. It collapses under its own gravity and then rebounds in a spectacular explosion known as a supernova. This is the death knell of a star, a cosmic spectacle of unparalleled proportions. Now, a supernova is not an instantaneous event. It's a process that unfolds over weeks to months, resulting in the star gradually fading from our view. This is why Betelgeuse will seemingly disappear from our night sky. But don't be fooled, it's not vanishing into thin air. It's going out with a bang, a final grand display of its cosmic power. The exact timing of this event is uncertain. It could happen within the next few thousand years, or it might be happening right now, thousands of light years away. But one thing is certain, when Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will be a sight to behold. So the disappearance of Betelgeuse is a natural part of its life cycle, a grand finale of sorts. It's not an ending, but rather a transformation, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. What does this mean for us on Earth? Will we feel the effects of Betelgeuse's disappearance? These are questions that might be running through your mind. The simple answer is no. The disappearance of Betelgeuse, as spectacular and intriguing as it may be, will not have any significant impact on our daily lives here on Earth. You see, Betelgeuse is about 643 light-years away from us. That's about 3,800 trillion miles. So even when it does go supernova, the distance is so vast that we won't feel any physical effects. Our planet won't shake, the tides won't rise, and our electronics won't fry. But that doesn't mean the event will go unnoticed. Betelgeuse's disappearance from our night sky will definitely be noticeable. It is one of the brightest stars in the constellation Orion after all. For those of us who love stargazing, its absence will be a poignant reminder of the cosmic events unfolding far beyond our reach. For the scientific community, this event is a golden opportunity. It's not every day that a star visible to the naked eye goes supernova. Scientists around the globe will be keenly observing this phenomenon, gathering data, and using it to understand more about the life cycle of stars and the processes of supernova. Moreover, the disappearance of Betelgeuse might also serve to ignite further curiosity about the cosmos among the general public. It's events like these that remind us of the grandeur of the universe, of the celestial ballet that's been going on for billions of years, of which we are but humble spectators. So, while we may feel a sense of loss at the disappearance of this celestial beacon, let's also view it as a moment of discovery, a testament to the ever-changing, ever-surprising nature of the universe. While we may miss its bright light, the disappearance of Betelgeuse will provide a unique opportunity for us to learn more about the universe. But don't worry, this is not the end of Betelgeuse. It will be back. After the grand supernova event, the iconic star Betelgeuse will go through a transformative process. The result of this cosmic metamorphosis will either be a neutron star or a black hole. Yes, the very star that once brilliantly glowed in the night sky could transform into one of the most enigmatic entities in the universe. Let's visualize this. Imagine a star so massive that it's about 20 times the size of our Sun, imploding under its own weight. This implosion is so powerful that it blows off the star's outer layers in a supernova explosion, leaving behind a dense core. If the core's mass is between about 1.5 to 3 times that of the Sun, it will become a neutron star. But if it's more than that, it will collapse into a black hole. Now, what happens next is a sight to behold. After its transformation, Betelgeuse will eventually reappear in our sky. However, it won't look the same as before. If it becomes a neutron star, it may be visible as a tiny, incredibly bright point of light. On the other hand, if it becomes a black hole, it won't be visible at all. Instead, we might be able to detect its presence indirectly by observing the effects of its gravity on nearby stars or by capturing the X-rays emitted by matter falling into it. The return of Betelgeuse is a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Stars are born, they live, and they die, only to be reborn in a new form. This cycle of stellar evolution is a beautiful reminder of the dynamic and transformative nature of our universe. So, while we bid farewell to the Betelgeuse we know, we can look forward to meeting its new form in the future. So there you have it, the story of the disappearing star. This celestial spectacle, the vanishing and reappearing of Betelgeuse, is a fascinating journey. We've delved into the science behind this astronomical event, understood its impact on our Earth, and anticipated the return of this iconic star. The night sky may look a little different without Betelgeuse, but remember, it's just a temporary farewell. The universe is full of wonders, and this is just one of them.